चलो सर, चलो चलो चलो. So again, everyone, very good evening to all of you guys. Welcome to Oliveboard and to the mock solution session of NTPC. Rajeshwari, very good evening, Rajeshwari. Hi, how are you? Chalo, chalo, chalo. So again, how was the mock? How was the mock, everyone? How was the mock? Kaisa gaya mock? It was good. It was good, sir. Chinna, yes, hi, how are you? Good evening. Good evening to you as well. Chalo sir, chalo. Let's start with our session for the day. Let us start with our mock analysis for the day. Okay, sir. Let us start with our mock analysis. So first question of quant is this one, sir. First question of quant, sine 105 degree minus sine 15 degree. Good evening, Shruti. Pithapuram. Hi, Rajeshwari. Good evening. Yes, very good evening. Very good evening to everyone. Everyone, welcome to the session. So this is our first question. Sine 10. So sine C minus sine D formula. 2 cos C plus D by 2, sir. 105 plus 15 by 2. That is 10 plus 15 is 120 by 2 means 60 degree. Into sine C minus D, 105 minus 15, so 90 by 5, like by 2 means 45. So 2 cos 60 is half, sir. Sine, this is 1 by root 2, sir. Gone, sir. 1 by root 2 is the answer. 1 by root 2 is the answer. Option number, sir, A. First question, very simple question. Rajeshwari, I'm good. Again, first question, the answer is option A, sir. And again, just a quick thing. Please do like the session because that will give us a little bit more reach. Sir, next question, sir. Yes, Arghamita, welcome. 1 by root 2. Arghamita was not there yesterday, right? Arghamita missed it, the CGL solution. Chal. So this one's this. So 3A ratio 2B is given. 6A minus 3 ratio to 3B minus 2 given, and A is given as B minus 1. So in these questions, now you can do it normally, but let's check, sir. Let us check. Let me say one thing over here. If you do it normally, it will eat up a little bit time. I'm giving perfect, Rajeshwari. Yeah. Achha, you have Argamita, I have seen recorded. Perfect. Works. Everything works. So you see, at the end of the day, if you are doing the hard work, that works. That will never go in vain. Let me say that much. Sir, A equal to B minus 1, no, sir? Sir, again 3A. So this is what? If I write this 3A divided by 2B, it is given as 6A minus 3 divided by, sir, 3B minus 2. Right, sir? Now, if I, and A is given in terms of B, if I kind of substitute, there's a strong chance I'll get a quadratic equation. And again, that will open its own can of worms. That will again open its own can of worms. How to avoid that, sir? Now, A, B are there. So, if I put any one as 0, the whole thing will become 0. I cannot put it. So, the best thing, sir, A is 1, sir. The next best thing is, other than 0, 1, sir, that means B is how much, sir? B is 2, sir. 2 minus 1 is 1, sir. Let's see now, sir. Let's see now whether putting this value satisfies this equation. I have to check. So 3, A is 1, B is 2. So 3 into 1 by 2 into 2, meaning, sir, 3 by 4, sir. Left hand side, I'm getting 3 by 4. What about right hand side, sir? 6 minus 3, sir, 3. 3B, 3 into 2, sir, 6 minus, again, sir, it is also 3 by 4. So it is matching, meaning, sir, our set of values that I've picked, it is correct. Sir, 12 AV value will be, sir, 12 into 1 into 2, sir. 24 is the answer, sir. 24, option number B, you see, that is there. That is there, sir. Arghamita, correct. Chinna, absolutely correct, brother. Absolutely correct. Perfect. You see, again, if you want to, again, sometimes it might so happen you are not getting the answer in one go. You then in that case a equal to 2, b equal to 3, that also you might need to take. So again, you have to check where whatever value you are taking, it should match this equation. That should happen. Otherwise, it doesn't make any sense. It does not make any sense, sir. Perfect. सही है मेरा ब्रो. अरे ब्रो कोड चलो very बढ़िया. You guys have very unique names. That I must give you. That I must consider. You guys have so much imagination. Sir, chalo, next one, sir. Sir, 4.5. Sir, this is 2, sir. You see, this is 2, sir. And 4.5 times 2, sir, 9. Plus 49.2 off, meaning 1 by 41, sir, into. Minus, this is off means 5 3s are 15 by 2, sir. So let's see now, sir. 41. So this is by 10 I'm writing. 1s are 41, 82 means 12. So chalo, very good. So 9 plus 12 by 10 minus 15. So let's multiply by 5, okay? Because by 10 I'll calculate. Sir, 75 by 10, sir. So 75 minus this is a 63 by 10. So 9 minus 6.3, 2.7 is the answer, sir. 2.7, option C, you see. Option C, 2.7 I'm getting. Brothers, I'm getting 2. Not 2.6 Argamita, 2.7. I'm getting 2.7. Let's see now. Yes, 2.7 is the answer. Slight miscalculation. Please check once. Please check once. It is 2.6 is not there in the option even. Yes, that is a slight miscalculation. Right? Smallest number. Next question. Smallest number that should be added to this so that the divisible by 15 but not by 18. Okay, sir. Let's take the positive. In these situations, always start with the positive condition. Divisible by what, sir? 15. 15 means, sir, 5 and 3, sir. Sir, it is always easier to check for 5. Sir, let's check for 5. How much should I add so that it is divisible by 5? Sir, any number, when is it divisible by 5? When the unit digit or the last digit is 0 or 5. Meaning, sir, if I add 2 here, I will get 28 plus 2, I'll get a 0. Another, sir, I can also, if I add 7 here, I will get a 5. So there are only 2 possibilities. I'll check. I'll only check for 2. Sir, if I add 2 here, what will be the number, sir? What will be the number? 89, 74, 3, like 74, 3 and 28 plus 2 will become 30. Is it divisible by 3, sir? 15 means 5 as well as 3. 30 means it is divisible by 5. But is it divisible by like 3? Question zoom. Yes, definitely. But brother, if I zoom now, let me complete this question, brother, then I'll zoom, okay? Because if I zoom, this whole thing will go. Okay, let's just bear in this question. Next question, I'll do the zoom. Now, if I do this, now let's see now, sir. Divisibility rule of 3 is saying what? Divisibility rule of 3 is saying कि देखो भाई, the sum should be divisible by 3. Let's see, sir. Divisible by 3, divisible by 3, divisible by 3. 8 and 7 divisible by 3, 15. Sir, 4 is not divisible by 3. That means this whole sum is not divisible. So it will not work. So again, I do not even need to check. This has to be my answer. This has to be my answer, sir. Option A. Because there were only 2 options. One option is not working. So definitely the second option has to be the answer. Second option has to be the answer. 17 you were saying. No. Smallest number I am getting 7. 7 से ही तो आ रहा है. Let's see. You guys are saying 7 से नहीं आ रहा है. Let's see. 8, 9, 7, 4, 3, 3, 5. If I add 7, right? 28 plus 7 is 35. Divisible. Divisible. 5 and 4 are divisible. So 9 are divisible, no, sir? It's absolutely the answer is 7. And you see, this is not divisible by 9. Only divisible by 3, sir. Only, sir, divisible by 3 but not by 9, sir. So absolutely 7 is the answer, sir. 7 is the answer. 7, yes, absolutely 7 is the answer. 7 has to be the answer. Okay. Next question I'll zoom. Next question definitely I'll zoom. Acha, this is not our question. ये भी नहीं है. अच्छा, greatest number. Yes, you guys can see, na? Now you guys can see. Next question, sir. This is the next question. And again, please do like the session because it gives us a little bit more reach. We can reach to like new number of people. Chalo, sir. Sir, whenever you see this word greatest, largest, smallest, and the number itself will divide, that means these two are the giveaway ki we are doing a HCF case. And always remember, in HCF case, we do the operations first, then we take a HCF. Operations, then HCF we do. Okay? And HCF mein operations are generally negative. We take difference. And sir, remember, sir, same remainder. There are two situations in this case. Sometimes the remainder will be given. Sometimes they will only say same remainder. But what is that remainder? That is not given. This is that case here. In this situation, if the remainder is not given, always take consecutive differences, sir. Consecutive differences you take, sir. Okay? Meaning, sir, take these two differences. 3708 minus 1236. And take, sir, these two differences, sir. 4944 minus 3708, sir. And you take these two differences. 4944 minus 1236, sir. Correct, sir? Sir, how much is this? 36, 36, 36 means 64 will take us to 1300, 1300 and 2400, 2408. That is 2472, sir. The difference. This one difference, sir, 1236, sir. This one difference, sir, Babri. 64, 1300, so 13 and 36, right? 36, 44. 8037. 3708, sir. 3708, sir. Right? 3708, sir. This much we got. Now, always take the HCF. That will be that largest number. You take the HCF of them. HCF of them, sir. And sir, this is very simple. You see, all are multiples actually. All are multiples. This into 2 is this. You see, 36 2s are 72, 12 2s are 24. And sir, 36 3s are 108. If you can remember this, you will get, sir, this is into 3. So HCF is this number only, sir. This number only is your HCF. So the largest number which will do this and this and this is nothing but 1236 itself. Now they are asking product of the digits of that number. So product of the digits of this. Sir, 1 into 2 into 3 into 6. Sir, 6 2s are 12, 3s are 36, sir. That is your answer, sir. Option number A. Option number, sir, A. Option number, sir, A. The remainder can be taken 0 as well. Yes, Argamita, absolutely works. Absolutely works. That is why you see the HCF itself is the answer. We are not doing anything. But again, always remember this consecutive difference method actually works the best in this case. This was a lengthy question, honestly. Honestly speaking, this was a little lengthy question. But again, doesn't matter enough. If you know how to solve, there are two things. There are two things. First, the biggest challenge sometimes becomes, I have seen students कि sir identify नहीं होता. We are not getting, like we don't know whether it's a HCF case or a LCM case. So first things, always, if greatest, largest, biggest, these type of numbers are there, because HCF full form is highest common factor. So if you see highest, largest, greatest, biggest, this type of terms, more often than not, that is a HCF case. And HCF itself is a factor. F stands for factor. So factor itself always divides. So it will, that number itself will divide. And if the term is saying is divisible, multiple is divisible. Multiple means LCM. That is an LCM case. That is an LCM case, remember. Okay? Perfect, sir. Moving on, sir. Moving on, sir. अच्छा ऑप्शन दिस वाज हाउ मच क्या आया था 36 आया था ना यस इट वाज 36 नेक्स्ट वन सर डायरेक्शन डिस्टेंस नहीं बनेगा हमसे दिस इज नॉट डन this question this looks like a quant question right this looks like a quant question should I और थोड़ा बड़ा करते you see sir how to solve sir how to solve sir it is not very difficult this is I need to divide this by sir this chalo na let's write it here x to the power 9 x to the power 8 x to the power 7 x to the power 6 x to the power 5 x to the power 4 x to the power 3 x to the power 2 x to the power 1 plus x like x to the power 0 sir if you can see here the highest power is 20 the lowest power is 11 that means can I take x to the power 11 common from the whole thing sir now if I take it so 20 minus 11 it will be 9 what is remaining over here 19 minus 11 8 sir again sir I'll get this sir last में it will be 1 बचेगा so this thing and this thing cancels so the remainder so actually it is x to the power 11 meaning it is completely divisible sir it is completely Pithapuram no just a small thing the answer will be brother or sister I don't know it is 0 why because there is no remainder why because it is completely divisible if a number is completely divisible that means there is no remainder that means the remainder is 0 sir Raj Kamal, no worries. Good evening, brother. Good evening, brother. Please join. We have solved a few questions only. Pithapuram, can you please tell me your name? I can call you by that name then. Okay. It is very weird to call you in some other name. Okay. Clear? Digital video creator. Babri. Shopkeeper allows two consecutive discounts of 45 and 5 on a trouser. If total discount is this, then what is the original price of the trouser? MP they are asking, sir. They are asking us original MP, sir. Sir, successive discounts, how to calculate, sir? Sir, minus 45, minus 5, minus plus 45. देखो क्या लिख रहा हूं मैं पेन भी मैं गिरा देता अभी 45 times 5 by 100 sir so this is 20 so this is minus 50 plus so this is 2 and this is a 22.5 by 10 means 2.25 sir that means minus 47.75%. Now this do not worry about this minus sign this means minus means discount minus means a discount right sir कौन है अरे चिन्मय I don't know brother I am a Bengali okay I am a pure Bengali brother right no worries so you see this value so discount effective discount is 47.75% that is given as 191 rupees so 47 fours are 160 4 sevens are 28 yes sir this is 4 times this is now sir 4 times so 1% value is sir 4 so I need MP means sir 100% discount is always calculated on MP so MP will be sir 400 rupees you see this is 4 times so 400 option number 1 sir option number A sir 4 Praveen, NTPC का test is there from Saturday to Sunday. The test is live from Saturday to Sunday for 48 hours in total. You can take the live test any time, any like in that duration. वो कभी भी आप ले सकते हो, ठीक है? And that solution is done on this on Tuesdays. And similarly, CGL test also, if you want to take the same duration, you can take the CGL test. That analysis is being done on Mondays. कल हो गया था वो, ठीक है ब्रदर? चलो सर, नेक्स्ट वन सर। ये तो हमसे नहीं बनेगा, ये हमसे बन जाएगा। दिस आई कैन डू। अच्छा, let me just zoom it if needed. You need, right sir? Little bit. Number of boys, number of girls. What they're asking, ratio of total number of boys enrolled in branch B and D. Data picking is the first step. Boys B and D, meaning sir 320, 360. Total sir 680 sir. Then number of girls A and C sir. Number of girls A and C. That is sir again 660. 6 ratio is sir 68, ratio 66. So those, this is 233 sir, this 234 sir, this cannot do anything. 33 ratio 34, you see option number A. Option number A itself is the answer sir. Chinmay, you have to brother clear some exams, you have to develop some credentials, then definitely. And you, the most important thing that you need, if you anyone here wants to become an educator like ourselves, is to have passion. It's not an easy job. Okay, it is not an easy job. So if you do not love what you do, you can have different professions, but you can never become an educator. That much I can say. Let me say one thing. This is my last class generally with Oliveboard. Okay, generally like of every day. So I'm standing in this place. Okay, straight from the last like 3 o'clock. I've not sat down for a second. 3 बजे से मैं खड़ा हूँ इधर. And with these many lights. You are getting my point. So nothing. So if not everything is easy, but again I'm interacting with you guys. That kind of gives us that energy and everything. Okay, so everything you need some passion. If you're passionate enough, you can be successful in any of the fields. Remember this. In any of the fields. Chinmay, no brother, I've cleared. If you want what exams I've cleared, first exam I've cleared is GATE, the score of 816. Then CAT with a score of 99.39. Then I've cleared SBI PO. Then I've cleared IBPS PO twice. Okay, RRB JE I've cleared in 2019. And there are a few other exams as well. Okay? So again, let's not talk about what I've done. Again, please understand, I can never be. You see, if you can clear exams, if I can make you guys clear exams, that's my credit. मैं खुद clear करके क्या करूँगा? Right? So it's absolutely okay. It doesn't matter. I used to work in a company called PGCIL, Power Grid Corporation. Well, after I got placed, after my placements and everything, my first degree is of engineering. So again, it's okay, absolutely okay. भाई देखो, passion रहना चाहिए, मैंने बताया ना. चलो छोड़ो. Let's start this. Let us do this. No, Rajkamal, nothing is tough, brother. It's all in the mind. Chalo sir, let's not talk about my achievements. Let's talk about yours, right? Again, you need to clear. Be passionate about this. We have to clear those. Clear NTPC, clear CGL, clear the exams. Then it's mine. Like then I can kind of like roam around very proudly, say my students have cleared these many like exams, right? Chalo, find the difference between total runs scored by scored by him between match 6th and the match 20th, both inclusive. These are all average given. You see, average number of runs scored. So 6th to 20th. 6th means sir, this one. This is where 6th match starts. 20th means this much, sir. So 16, 10, 32. So total, sir. Sir, average. Now these are averages. Actually, that means total will be, sir, into 5, na, sir? Into 5 will be total, because you see the class width is 5. Class width is 5. So every match is scoring 16. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5 matches. So he will score 15 in every match. So total, sorry, 16 in every match. 16 into 5. But again, I do not need it. 5 I'll kind of multiply at the end. 5 I'll multiply at the end. And that between 36th and 50th. 36th, this one, sir. 50th is this one, sir. Right, sir? 24, 18. 24 plus 20 is 44, minus 2, sir, 42. 40 means, sir, 82. Right? 82, and this was how much? 16 threes are 48, plus this is 58, sir. So difference, they are asking difference between total runs. 82 minus 58 you do, sir. And these are averages, so multiply 5 at the end, sir. So 60, 22, 24 into 5, answer is 120, sir. The answer will be, sir, 120. The answer will be, sir, 120, sir. Right? Arghamita correct. Raj Kamal absolutely correct. Absolutely correct, you guys. Perfect, sir. Perfect. ये देखो आ गया. Next one, sir. अच्छा, शेयर का क्वेश्चन. अच्छा, this is a question again. Shear questions are not very popular. These are not you will get in every day's exam. Sometimes they give you these questions like out of the blue moon. Pitampura, yes, absolutely. Pithapuram, sorry. So let's understand, sir. Income of shareholder remains unchanged. Rate of commission is increased from 3% to 10%. Now, the percentage of slump means decline. Slump means a decline. Meaning, sir, how much percentage decline? It's very simple, sir. Sir, I don't know. I'm saying, sir, X rupees was the share value. Now the share value is, sir, Y rupees after the slump. It was initial, it is final. Now, what is constant? You see, I have to make some equation between them. Sir, the commission remained unchanged. Sir, commission initially was 3%. 3% of this. It is now equal to 10% of this. They are equal, sir. Sir, from their percentage gone, sir. X by Y is, sir, 10 by 3, sir. Nothing can be easier than this. Initial value, final value. So 10 rupees has become 3 rupees. How much less, sir? 7 rupees less out of 10 rupees. Slump is, sir, 70%. Or decline is, sir, 70%. Option number C, sir. Option number, sir, C. Absolutely simple question. Raj Kamal is again perfectly, absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Arghamita, Pitampura, Muruga, absolutely perfect. Very good. very good. अरे कहा गया भाई? अरे देखो, चलो सर, नेक्स्ट वन सर. चलो सर. हटाओ इसको. यस, क्वांट आ गया सर. क्वांट. सर, A is 60% more than B, 30% less than C. अच्छा. So A is related to B as well as C. चलो ना से एक काम करते हैं. सर, B ऐसे करेंगे. B I am taking, sir, 100x. Okay, sir. So A is how much, sir? 60% more means, sir, 160x. Now, C is how much, sir? 30%. A is 30% less than C. Meaning, sir, if C is 100, sir, A is 30% less. 30% less, meaning A is 70. So A, I know 160x. That represents the modular method. That represents 70, sir, niche. What they are asking, I need C, that is 100, that is upper. So that will be 160, 1600x by 7. Keep it like this. Keep it like this, sir. C is 25% more than D, sir. So D will be how much, sir? Meaning, sir, if D is 100, sir, C is 125. Right, sir? So D is equal to, C I know this, 1600x divided by 7 now into these things. If D is 100, then C is 125. Now this is C, sir. That means this is 125 niche. I need D, that means 100 upper. Sir, 4, 5, 5, 320, sir. This is 320, sir. So that means I am getting, this is nothing, so 320 into 4. So let's do it now. So, 32 into 4, 32 into 4, sir. 30 into 4, sir, 3 4s are 12, 120, 4 2s are 8, sir, 1280, x by 7. Now they are saying B plus D is given, sir. B is, sir, B is 100x plus D is, sir, 1280x by 7. It is equal to 495, sir. 700 means, sir, 12, 1980. It is 495 times 7, sir. ये तो 5 से जा रहा है ना? No, 4 से जा रहा है, right? 4 times x is 7 by 4 we are getting. X is 7 by 4. How what they're asking? Find the value of A. A was 160 into this. So A is, sir, 160 times 7 by 4, sir. 280, sir. 280 option A, sir. A little calculative, sir. Yes, Muruga, Rajkamal, Pithapuram, Arghamita, you guys are absolutely correct. Absolutely correct, you guys are. Again, a little calculative this question. A little calculative था. चलो ठीक है. Ratio से भी कर सकते थे. We could have done it using ratio as well. ठीक है चलो. ये हमसे कभी नहीं बनेगा. Minimum, अच्छा ये मिस हो गया क्या? Yes. Second. Arghamita, let's do this one. Arghamita, I'll at the end I'll come back. Okay, at the end we'll come back. Again, बहुत ज़्यादा difference आएगा नहीं. Sir, अच्छा, let me zoom it. चलो sir. 750-meter long train, speed of 63 kilometer. Aman walking with a speed of 3 in the direction. Sir, both are moving, meaning we need relative speed. That is 60. Same direction of the train. Relative speed is 63 minus 3. 60 kilometers per hour. Sir, I know distance because if the train wants to cross a particular person, it needs to cross its own length. Sir, I need distance divided by I know speed, sir. Speed is 60, but again, sir, I need to convert this 5 by 18. So that is your answer. Chalo thoda calculate, sir. 6 3s are this, 6 10s are this. Just it will become 750. This 3 will go up, divided by 10 into 5, sir. Sir, 5 15s are this, sir. 0 0 gone, sir. 3 15s are 45 seconds. 45 seconds, option B, sir. Option B, sir. Option B, sir. Rajkamal, Arghamita, Pitampura, absolutely correct, you guys, sir. Absolutely correct, you guys, sir. 45 seconds is the answer. Right, sir? मूविंग ऑन मूविंग ऑन मूविंग ऑन। सर ये थोड़ा कर लेते हैं सर। ट्रेडर परचेजेस, अ ट्रेडर परचेजेस, रुको इसको भी थोड़ा बड़ा कर लो। A trader purchases 180 rupees per dozen. CP, sir. It's a CP, but there is some overhead. 5% packaging and transportation. Approximate selling price earns a profit of 10. Sir, actual CP is, sir, 5% more, sir. 5% more means, sir, 5%, 5 by 100. Sir, 18 into 5. 18 into 5 is, sir, 18 into, डिलीट कर दे। 18 into 5 is how much, sir? 18 into 5 is 90 rupees, right? That means 9 rupees here. 9 rupees here, sir. If you do that, that means the actual CP is, sir, 189 rupees. Now he wants to make a profit of 10%. Meaning, sir, 10% profit means this 18.9 rupees. Sir, what will be the approximate selling price? SP will be what, sir? 189 CP plus the profit of 18.9, almost 19 rupees. 189 plus 19, 189 plus 20 is 209, 208 rupees. 208 rupees approximately. Option D, sir. Option D, sir. Option D is the correct answer, sir. Option D is the correct answer. Option D. Yes, Arghamita, absolutely correct. Pithapuram, absolutely. Again, like approximately was there, na? Approximate word. So we can do directly 208. Perfect, brother. Quickly कर लेंगे. बाप रे. अच्छा, data sufficiency. चल. Let me show you one thing. Let us understand a few things here. So data sufficiency questions, very rarely we get. Let me explain this. Rarely we get this. Explain this. Everybody listen to me for a minute. So data sufficiency, if you want to be good in data sufficiency, na, you need to learn how to answer without solving. Please understand, data sufficiency question, what they're asking. What they are asking in the DS questions, data sufficiency questions. They are not asking you to figure out the answer. They are asking, please understand the agenda there. Why that is there in the question. They are asking whether the answer can we get, like can we get the answer? Can we get the answer? Can we find the time taken by A alone? Can we get the answer? Can we find the time taken by A alone from the answer, like from the given data? They are not asking what is the time. What is the time taken by A alone? They are not asking us to solve the question. They are asking us, can we do it? Please understand, always approach the questions from that point of view. Ki whether we can make equations out of this. Let's see, na sir. A plus B plus C can do it in this many days. Meaning, sir, if I know time, that means I know efficiency. I know, sir, A plus B plus C efficiency, sir. Now, B can do in some days. Meaning, sir, I now know from this thing B ka efficiency. C's efficiency is 10% of that. So B, if I know, then from this equation, I know C as well. And if I subtract B and C from this equation, I'll get the efficiency of A. That means I can figure out, if I know efficiency of A, I can figure out in how many days I can do it. So this, the first statement say I can get my answer. I can get my answer from the first statement. Think like this. I don't want answers. I do not need answers. Sir, here, second one. C can do 50% in 18 days. Meaning, I can figure out the efficiency of C here. A and B together in these many days. Meaning from this I can get A plus B, sir. The combined efficiency of A plus B. Sir, I know A plus B plus C, I can get C. So if from here also I can get A plus B only. But there is no way without the value of B, I can get the efficiency of A alone. So that means from this I cannot get. So answer will be only option 1, or only the first statement is sufficient. The second one is not. One alone, yes, this one will be the answer. Option B, sir. Option B will be the answer, sir. Let's check, sir. Again, you understood. I don't need to solve. And again, I'll suggest, you guys also don't go for solving. Why solve sir? Clear sir? मेरा चाय ठंडा हो गया. चलो sir. I hope this is clear. Remember this in the next questions. Next time you solve DS, please try this approach. CP given, CP given, MP given, allowing a discount of this profit. There is a formula, but again, I will not use formula. Okay, CP, SP, MP, whenever you see, I've told you this many times. CP, SP, MP. So always the common friend is SP, sir. SP is our common friend. Sir, I have 11, this is CP, sir. 11,500. I want 8% profit, sir. Sir, 8% profit means, sir, what is that? 115 times 8, 0, 0 will cancel, double 0. Sir, 108, and this is like this is, you see, 100 into 8, sir, 800, and 15 into 8, sir, 120, right? That is 920 rupees. Sir, what will be SP then, sir? What will be SP? Sir, 11,500 plus 1,000 is 12,500 minus 80. 12,500 minus 80 means 12,480, like 420, sir. This is your SP. Now, MP, I know 13,800, sir. Now, they have given us a discount. Sir, can you figure out, that is P. Can you figure out how much discount, sir? How much discount, sir? This is initial, this is final. So, anybody can figure out the percentage change. That is the discount. Sir, 13,800 minus 12,420 divided by, discount is always on MP, 13,800 into 100. That is your answer. 0, 0, 0, 0. So this is how much? 400, 400, 380. 380 rupees. Now 380 rupees, 380 rupees. So 1380 by 138 and to is the gun gone. So 10% is the answer, sir. 10% is the answer. Option C, sir. Option C, sir. I do not need any formula. Do not need any formula. Rajkamal, अच्छा वो पहला वाला था. Arghamita, you are absolutely correct. You are absolutely correct. Okay. And there is one formula. Remember, MP by CP. MP का cross होता है, CP का cross. 100 plus profit. How much percentage? By 100 minus discount. This is one formula directly, but again, I'm not a big fan of this. I have never solved my, like when I was a preparation aspirant like you guys, when I was doing my preparation, I've never ventured into these shortcuts. For one question, I'll remember formula. इतना time है आप लोगों के पास? पता नहीं भाई. Again, go logically. It is easier. It is more fundamental. If the questions are here and there, this method will be much better than using that. Okay, sir. So I've given you. Now it's up to you. If you feel, sir, no, I'll go by formula. It's okay. I'm not against anybody. Okay. M and N 4:9. 11 is added and 19 is added to N. Ratio becomes 3.5. What is the value of N? अरे sir, ये तो नहीं करेंगे. Sir, 19 is added to N. It is becoming 3:5. The value of N they are asking. These are all values of N. So meaning, sir, if 19 is added, 19 is subtracted. So meaning if I subtract 19, it should be a divisible by 5, na sir? You see, I won't do the question. Shortcuts. Logical shortcuts. 19 subtracted from N, the ratio becomes 3/5. This is N, sir. So these are all values of N. So if I subtract 19, it should be divisible by 5. Sir, it is not. 144 minus 19, वो देखो आगे. 144 minus 20 is 124, minus 19 is 125. That is divisible by 5. Yes, divisible by 5. Let's check na, sir. This can never be. Actually, if minus 19 gives you multiple of 5 na, it has to be ending in this. 152 minus 19 also, it is not divisible by 5. Because divisible by 5 means I need either 5 at the end or at the 0 at the end. So I won't do the question. I can straight away say option B is my answer. Option B is my answer. Arghamita, Pithapuram, Raj Kamal, you guys are absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Sir, chalo banao. Ban gaya. Right, sir? Right, sir? Right, sir? Again, sir? Again, sir? Tangent. अरे आजा भाई. अच्छा, tangent secant. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, sir. Sir, AD is the tangent, ABC is the secant, meaning this is A. AD is the tangent, this is the secant, sir. Okay, AB is 8, BC is 10. Find AD. So this is, I am taking T. Sir, it is a tangent secant theorem formula. This is a very important tangents. There are two theorems, secant theorem and tangent secant theorem. Tangent secant theorem is saying AD square. This tangent square, it is equal to secant, meaning sir AB into sir AC, sir. How it comes? Actually, if you do this, these two triangles comes out to be like this. You will see like similar. So from there, actually using thalus, we get this. Okay, sir. AD they are asking. AD squared will be AB is 8, sir. AC is sir 8 plus 10, 18, sir. Sir, 18 means 2 into 9. So 8 into 2, 16 square root. 8 into 2, sir, 16. अरे यार, सॉरी 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 सॉरी, देखा, अच्छा गलती से हाथ लग गया, सॉरी सॉरी सॉरी, extremely sorry, extremely sorry. This was 8, this was 10. So that means t I have taken this, na? So t squared was equal to 8 into 18, sir. So t will be, sir, this 18 means, sir, 2 into 9, sir. This 2 and 8 means 16, 16 means 4 square root, 9 square root 3. So it is 12, sir. AD is, sir, 12, 12, 12. Option D, sir. Option D, sir. Option D, sir. Yes, absolutely option D. Sir, option D is the answer. Ratio, ratio, ratio. Again, sir, ratio questions, best way to think with options, sir. These will become much easier if you think with options rather than solving. Rather than solving, sir. Yes, thalus se bhi aa sakta hai. Rajkamal, you can do it by thalus as well. But again, if you have the proof, actually, proof of tangent secant or secant theorem, both comes from thalus only. Okay? In my foundation batches, I've shown all the proofs. That is why I've taken 170, 172 classes in that foundation batch. It is still going on. It hasn't completed. I haven't been able to complete. Chalega. वो अभी चलेगा थोड़ा दिन. Now, the ages of Ramesh and Ganesh. Again, I'll not do it like this. 5 years from now. So think. So this is present. Think. I'm just giving you the approach. 5 years from now, that means plus 5 years. Okay? And 5 years ago, this is minus 5 years. 5 years ago. And what is the sum of their ages? 15 years from now. Sir, 15 years from now. This is plus 15 years. Okay, sir? Okay, sir? Now, 5 years ago, it was 1:4. 5 years from now, 1:2. And this, I don't know, sum of ages they are asking. Sum of ages they are asking. Acha, sir. Let's go with options. Let us go with options, sir. You see, a little tricky conceptually, but again, you will love this method. You will learn something new. Sir, if I take 5 years, so that means this gap is how much, sir? Gap is of 10 years. Now for two people, so definitely I will subtract how much? For one people, for Ramesh, I'll subtract 10 years. Ganesh, I'll subtract 10 years. Total 20 years. So options are 35. If I subtract to 10, 20 years, it is 15. This will be said 20. This will be said 30, 35, sorry. This is 25, sorry. And this will be, sir, how much? 65 means 45. Right, sir? This is the sum. Ratio is 1:2, meaning the sum is, sir, 1 plus 2. That means divisible by 3, sir. It has to be divisible by 3. Sir, this is divisible by 3. This is not. This is not. This is divisible. So again, I can say B and C cannot be my answer. A and D can be. A and D can be, sir. B and C cannot be my answer, but A and D both can be. So let's check with this. There is another condition to eliminate between A and D, sir. 5 years ago, meaning this gap, sir. How much is this gap, sir? Plus 15 minus 5, 20 years gap. It is 20 years gap, sir. Now for two people, Ramesh and Ganesh, 20 years gap means 20 for Ramesh, 20 for Ganesh. Sum I will subtract minus 48, sir. 20 for Ramesh, 20 for Ganesh, 35 can never be my answer. 35 minus 40 means negative में age था. 35 minus 40 means the age is in negative. The answer, only answer is option D, sir. You see, I have not solved a single line. I have not solved a single line, and you see, this is my answer. You see. You got my point. Again, definitely when you solve, you will not write draw this diagram. This is just I've made so that I can make you guys understand. But this is one way to solve. Again, understand, all these are approaches. The more approaches you learn, the more things you know, it will be better. Now you apply these things. Only doing classes won't work. You again need to apply this while practicing. After this session, you go there, you take any good book, solve 5-6 questions using these techniques with options, like on problem of ages problems. Right, sir? Chalo, move on. So average of 36 numbers is 50, sir. Okay, sir. Found 37 was misread as 73. Sir, mistake ko sahi karo. You always need to correct your mistake. Sir, misread as 73, meaning, sir, 73 you subtract from the average. Average was how much, sir? 50. So this is deviation. This is deviation. Subtract and add the correct number, that is 37. This was the wrong number I've subtracted, then added. Divided by, sir, whatever average ke liye you need to divide whatever deviation by, sir, this. Sir, it will be 50. This is plus and minus. This is how much? Array, this is 36. Answer is, sir, 49. This is 1. Answer will be, sir, 49, option D, you see. Again, option D is the answer. Again, option D is correctly the answer, sir. You see, very simple question. Very simple question, sir. Again, please like the session if you are learning something new. Very simple questions. बाप रे, ये करना होगा. Chalo, sir, this will take some time. This will take some time. Shortcut. Let me show you one thing. Sir, options, by looking at this. Let's see, sir. This, what will be the values of x here? Can anyone tell me what will be the values of x here? So if you put this as quadratic, it is 5 and 2. So it will be 5, you see, x square. How to calculate? Let me say this. If you don't know how to solve in 10 seconds. So 10 can be written as 5 into 2, sir. 1 second. No, you cannot solve it. It is not like you cannot solve this now. You need minus here. Minus A. Yes, you see, this is minus here. This is minus here. A and D can never be any answers. A and D, because these are not solvable. Plus A, so you cannot solve it. Here also, you cannot solve. Answer will be either B or C. So x squared plus 3x minus 10, sir. So 10 is again 5 and 2. So minus means I can arrange this by minus. So x will be, sir. Sir, I need plus 3. Plus 3 means plus 5 minus 2. It gives us plus 3. My answer will be, sir, you just keep it and change the sign, sir. Just change the sign, sir. So meaning if you have plus 5, you make it minus 5. If you have minus 2, make it plus 2. So it is minus 5 plus 2, sir. That is my answer from this. What about this, sir? So it is x square minus 3x minus 10 equal to 0, sir. So 10 again, so 10 means, sir, why 5 into 2, sir? 5 minus 2, but now I need minus 3. So I'll take minus 5 plus 2, sir. X is. But again, I'll need to change the sign. I will now need to change the sign, sir. Arey yaar, फिर से. Sorry. So again, just to give you, from here I was getting minus 5 plus 2. From here I was getting plus 5 minus 2. Let's check with the options. Now, if I put, let's see, factors means this. If I put x equal to these values, it should be 0, sir. It should give the expression as 0. I should get the expression to be as 0, sir. So let's see now, sir. Minus 5. Minus 5 to the power 4. 15, 6, 25. 5 to the power 4. Sorry, no, 5 to the power 4. No, sorry, 25 to the power 4 is that. 5 to the power 4 is, sir, 25 squared. 625 only. 625. Minus 7 times 5 cube. That is 125. Plus 5 into x square. X square means 25. Plus 31 into 25 minus 30. So do not calculate, just check whether it is like it can be done. Sir, 5 and this is, I can write 6 times 125. 125 into 8 is 1000, meaning 250 less. 250 less, meaning, sir, 750. 750, sir, right? 250, 250, 250. 750 means, sir, 125 minus. No, sir, it can never give you 0. It cannot give you 0, sir. Because this is much higher. This quantity is much higher, sir. So 31x tha na, sorry. Sorry, sir, this was 5. This was 5, sir. 31 into 5. So this is minus 30. No, ban ja raha hai na. 31 into 5, 31 into 5, 31 into 5. Acha, I had taken mine. Acha, I'm doing this actually. Plus 5 ही तो बैठा है हमने. Acha, I'm doing this, okay? Mistakenly though. But still, 31 into 5 is 5, 3s are 155. Sir, it is giving us, it is equal to 0, sir. 5 is giving us one answer. So my answer has to be C, sir. My answer has to be C, not B. Because if 5 is 0, then minus 5 cannot be 0. If 5 is giving me 0, then this thing, this minus 5 cannot give us 0. So 5, so you can also check by minus 2. I guess this will also work. It has to work actually. This, I don't guess, this has to work. There is no other way around this. There is no other way around this, but this was a very lengthy question. So this, what we have done, this is very short trick, like a short way of calculating. But this was difficult. This was not an easy question, let me say this. Okay, but option C will be our answer, sir. Yes, definitely. So how they have solved? They have used the factor theorem. You see, baap re baap. Again, if you want, please solve. Please use this if you want. Okay. Best of luck. If someone decides to do. Best of luck for them as well. Sir, what is the difference between compound interest? Compound interest 20%, 3 years. Simple interest 16%, 5 years. Achha, sir. This will be how much, sir? 16 into 5%. 80%, sir. Very good. Compound interest, sir, I will use AB theorem. So 20 times 20%, 2 years, we all know. If I use AB theorem once, it comes out to be 44%. If you are a serious candidate, you should know this. Right? Third time 20 meaning, sir? This is 5 into 2 into 2. Sir, 44, 64. Plus, sir, how much? 80, meaning 8.8. 72.8, sir. So difference is how much, sir? Difference is how much, sir? 80 and the 72 means 8, so 7.2%. That is the difference. That is given as. Acha, difference they are asking. 48, so answer will be, sir, 48,000 ka 7.2 by 100, sir. Two zeros, 1 0, sir, this is gone. Sir, 8 2s are 16. Acha, chalo, sir, 6, there are two options. 48 into 72 will be the answer. 48 into 72. बाप रे. Sir, करो क्या ही करे, sir. 16, 16, 16, 16. 56 and 8 is 66. 56 and 8, 64, 64, 65. Something ending in 56? Yes, sir. You see. Option B, sir. Option B, sir. Ending in 56 is option B, sir. Option B is, sir, ending in 56. Option B is, sir, ending in 56. Right? थोड़ा तो कम हो गया, sir. 3, 4, 5, 6. ठीक है. थोड़ा तो कम हो गया, sir. We can shorten at least one line, 10 seconds at least on this question by using this. Sir, option B is the correct answer, sir. So next one, sir. Sir, LCM question again, sir. It is, I'm skipping this question. Skipping this question, okay. Sir, LCM means 7, 5 7s are this, 7, 4, like 40s are this, 7, 50, like 35s are this. So just check the option, which option is divisible by 7. 7 से ये जाएगा, 7 2s are 14, 45, no, sir. Sorry, 55, no, sir. 7 2s are this. This is the answer, sir. This is divisible by 7, sir. 1960. 1960, sir. You see, always LCM means you check, because LCM means the multiple has to be there. So 2000 can never be answer. 7 2s are 14. 58 again cannot be the answer. 56 is the answer. In the 50s, there is only 56 that is divisible by 7. One number. Only one number that is divisible by 7, sir. Right, right, right. Chalo, sir. Chalo, sir. Yes, B. ये क्या है, sir? Scooters sold. चलो. Scooters sold, sir. Scooters sold, sir. If out of unsold number of scooters by all 4 manufacturers that year, 60% are sold in next year, then how many unsold scooters are sold in the next year? Acha, unsold I need. Unsold means manufactured minus sold will be unsold. Right? All 4 manufacturers, baap re baap, we have to calculate. And again, this is in percentage or anything. Ruko ek second. Acha, just the quantity given. Just the quantity given, sir. ठीक है. So this is every gap is 15, sir. Every gap is of 15, sir. So you see, in all the situations, sir, it is 15, 15, 15, and this is 1, 2, 3 gap. 45, sir. 45 and 45 meaning, sir, total 90 scooters are unsold, sir. 45, 45. Now, so that means out of that, 60% is sold. 60% means 3 by 5, sir. 5 18s are this, 54, sir. 54 unsold scooters are being sold in the next year, sir. So option, option A, sir. Option A, sir. Option A is the answer, sir. Option A is most definitely your correct answer, sir. Right, sir? Option A. Option A, sir. Argamita, Raj Kamal, correct, brothers, sisters? ये क्या है? Yes, chalo, sir. Chalo, sir. Next one, sir. Family. This one. This one, sir. Sir, x minus 1 by x whole cube, sir, this one. It is 6 cubes, sir. Meaning, sir, x minus 1 by x is 6. You read it like this. X cube, array, sir, this is, if this is p, sir, then it is p cube plus 3p, sir. We all know. Wherever from you have kind of read arithmetic, like algebra, wherever you have studied from. So it will be 6 cube plus 3 into 6, sir. How much? 216 and 216 and 18. 216 and 18, 16, 16, 32, 34, sir. Option number A is the answer, sir. Option number A is the correct answer, sir. Option A, sir. Option A, sir. 234. KK signing, yes. Sign KK signing, yes, brother, yes. Live mock is once every week on weekends. Okay. Every Saturday, Sunday, brother. Every Saturday, Sunday. This mock is live on the platform. You will get actually two mocks. You will get one mock for CGL. If you are preparing for CGL, you will get one mock. You will get NTPC mock one. Okay. Now, depending on the exams, we keep varying the mocks. Now, currently, these two mocks are running every Saturday, Sunday, every week. So, you please visit the platform, you will get more information. Go in the live test section. So, these are all live mocks. So, you'll get like your rank, vagera, like in the analysis also. ये क्या है सर? Proper fraction. 6 is added. Numerator 5 is added to denominator. It becomes this. Okay, sir. Proper fraction P by Q. Whenever we have, it became what, sir? 3P by 2Q. When we added 6 here, sir, and when we added 5 here, sir. Right. Sir, it means, sir, you see, P became 3P, meaning addition of 2P, sir. 2P means 6, meaning, sir, P means, sir, 3. Q became 2Q, meaning, sir, addition of Q. That means when we added 5. That means Q value, can I say 5? P3, Q5, sir, बैठा दो. Q minus P by P plus Q. 5 minus 3 by, sir, 5 plus 3, sir. 2 by 8, sir. 1 by 4. है क्या option में? 1 by 4, you see option C, sir. Option C is the answer, sir. Option C most definitely is your correct answer, sir. 1 by 4 आया था ना? Yes. चलो सर. ये भी नहीं है. This one, sir. This one, sir. Sir, let's write it down, sir. 4K is equal to 2 root 3. Let me show you one very good technique here. By root 6 minus root 5 minus 2 root 3 minus. Just bear with me for 1 second. You will get to learn something new. Sir, if you take it, na sir, you see, this whole thing will be the LCM. This whole thing will be LCM, sir. And this will get multiplied here. This will get multiplied here. So root 6 plus root 5 minus, it will be root 6 minus root 5, sir. Sir, you understand one thing. And sir, you see, this will become this into this. A plus B into A minus B, it is 1, sir. Root 6 square minus root 5 square, 1, sir. So ultimately, sir, what we are having? भाई गलती से भी ये मत दबा देना. Ultimately, we are having this, sir. Ultimately, sir, we are having this. Now, think a little bit, everyone. Think for 1 second, just 1 second. कि भाव सोचो, sir, this into this, and sir, this into this, plus into plus. Sir, there is a minus sign in between. Sir, it will cancel, na sir? It will cancel, na sir? Acha, sir. This into this, sir. 2 root 3 into like root 5. 2 root 3 into root 5, but sir, this is a minus. Minus and minus will become plus. Meaning, sir, I will get twice of this. Again. 3 root 6 into root 6, sir. 3 root 6 into, sir, root 6. 3 root 6 into sir root 6. Again sir, minus into plus is minus. So minus and minus will become plus. I'll again get twice of this sir. And so 3 root 6 into root 5 plus 3 minus into minus is plus, minus of plus is minus. Sir, again 3 root 6 into root 5, 3 root 6 into root 5, it will cancel. So only I'll get this. I will only get this, sir. Please understand. That means what I've actually done. What I have actually done here, rather than calculating the entire thing, what I have done, wherever here I was getting minus, those minus things will remain as twice, and wherever I was getting plus, plus minus plus, it is given like it will cancel. So I have not taken those. So काम करो sir. So 2 cancels, 2 cancels, 2 cancels. So 2k is 2 root 15 sir, plus 3 into 6, 18 sir. Again sir, 9, this. K is a 9 plus root 15. ऐसा आंसर है क्या? अच्छा है तो ऑप्शन ए सर, ऑप्शन ए सर देयर 9 प्लस रूट 15 प्लस है ना, प्लस इज देयर ना राजकमल, प्लस इज देयर, हैव आई मेड एनी एरर बीच में? रुको 3 root 6, no brother, I guess plus will be, option A is the answer. I hope option A is the answer brother. Yes, थोड़ा गड़बड़ हो गया. It's okay brother. Small mistake happens. Again, I'm a big fan of making mistakes here. Nobody is judging you. Don't make the same mistake in the exam. That's all. Area of triangle, चलो सर फिर से बनाओ. By centroid and the midpoints of any. अरे सर this is 1 by 12th. है क्या ऑप्शन में? You see option D sir. अच्छा, let me just show you sir. Sir, if you join this and if you join this sir, midpoints these two. So this triangle na sir, sir, always remember 1/12 of the original triangle, 1/12 of the delta. Okay sir, everyone remember this. If you don't already know this, it is 1/12. This is 1/12. Perfect. So that means it is option D sir. Next. चलो सर इसको this much value of R. So 19,500 became this. How much is this sir? 500 and 5350, 5850 rupees interest for 5 years. 1 year interest sir by 5. By 5 कैसे करें? into 2 58. So 5,000 into 2 sir 10,000 plus 850 into 2 sir 85 into 2 sir 170. 1700 sir. So 11,700 by 10 sir. This one 0 gone. 1170 rupees per year interest. Rate of interest means rate of interest. They are asking rate of interest 1 year interest in terms of percentage. So they are asking 1170 is what percentage of 19500 sir. 195 1170 2 6 times sir. 6 times na sir, 6%. Yes, because 6 2s are 12, 6 ही होगा sir. No other option sir. 6%. Yes sir. Rajkamal, D is definitely your correct answer sir. D is definitely your correct answer sir. Next one. और है क्या question? ये NTPC has so many questions ना, 30 questions. अच्छा, last question will be this one then. Sir, sec and cosec. Sir, this only happens in case of complementary angle, sir. This only happens in case of complementary angles. Sum of these two angles must be 90, sir. 7x plus 28 plus 30 minus 3x, it has to be 90. So 30, 60, 28 meaning sir 30, 32 sir. 7x minus 3x, 4x is 32 sir. X is 8 sir. X is sir 8, option B sir. X is said 8, option number should be. That is your correct answer, and I hope that was our last question. 99. Yes, ये भी तो क्वांट का क्वेश्चन है नहीं. अच्छा, Arghamita asked me one question. Arghamita, are you there? Some ratio question you have asked, na? Some ratio question you had asked. Arghamita, are you there? Are you there, sister? Just give me a reply if you are there, then I'll definitely repeat that part. I guess Arghamita is not there. Chalo then it's okay. Then it is okay, sir. So that was then it for the day. That is it for the day then. So again, thank you so much for joining us. I hope you guys have learned something new. Again, tomorrow onwards, there will be 3 continuous days, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday of practice sets. If you are an NTPC candidate or if you are a CGL candidate, feel free to join us for the live sessions. The same time, 5 to 6 p.m. I'll take those practice sets. Okay. So again, I hope I'll see you guys there in the live class again. So thank you so much once again for joining us for this particular mock analysis. I hope you guys your preparation is also going good. So again, all the best. And again, I'm signing off for the day. Have a very good night. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, please take care and bye-bye.